In Creo 11, we improved the 4 and 5-axis trajectory toolpath to allow you to select non-coincident references. Now the trajectory curve and the surface that defines the normal for the resulting toolpath can be non-coincident using this new option. Let's see this example. Select the curve. We select control type as normal to surface. Then the new option. At an offset location from the reference surfaces. And we select the reference surface. In this example, the cylindrical surface inside the 3D model. Let's review the created toolpath, and we can see that it's exactly what we needed to achieve.